Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Talk Tech. Have you ever wondered how applications like ChatGPT or Claude actually works, or have you ever dreamed of building one yourself but got stuck with the complexity? Well, if that's the case, today is your lucky day. We are diving into LangChain, an AI framework that revolutionized how we build AI applications. And by the end of this video, you'll not only know what LangChain is, but exactly why is it a game changer and how you can start using it. So let's jump in. Before we begin, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever tried building a chatbot yourself, or you're just exploring AI frameworks for the first time? Do let me know in the comment sections below. And also, what's the coolest AI tool you have used so far? I'd love to hear that from you, and who knows, that might inspire my next tutorial. So, what is LangChain exactly? So, let's break it apart. LangChain is an AI framework that helps working with large language models like OpenAI's GPT or Llama super easy. But what sets it apart? First, it's modular. LangChain helps combining with different components like prompt, tools, memories, or APIs into a single workflow. Think of it something as building something with Lego blocks, but for AI. Second, it's focused on language models. Instead of being a general purpose framework, it's laser focused on integrating and combining with language models capabilities. Third, it's open source, meaning you can tweak it, you can add to it, or you can even build something completely customized without breaking the bank. Imagine this, where you're building a chatbot where you could just plug LLM and be done. But what if you want your chatbot to remember past conversations or even fetch real-time data from APIs or even make some calculations? That's where LangChain shines. Alright, let's talk about why LangChain is such a big deal. I'll give you three reasons. First of all, its simplicity. Say goodbye to all the heavy coding or complex coding. LangChain wraps it all up and makes simple and reusable modules. Second is scalability. Whether you're prototyping a small project for your college or something, or you're making a enterprise grade solution, LangChain grows with you. And third is its ecosystem. LangChain works seamlessly fine with anything like, let's say, uh, Streamlit for user interface, or Fast for vector search, or APIs for live data. But yes, don't just fall for my words. Let's take few real world examples. First, chatbot with memory. Let's say you're building a virtual assistant and you want it to be more personalized. You want it to remember things about you. Let's say you're building an assistant and you want it to remember your favorite food, your favorite movie, or even more complex thing. Let's say you want it to suggest how you'd react to some situation when you're sad. Second is document question and answering. You have thousands of legal documents and maybe academic papers, and you want answers in one go, instantly. Third is automated workflow. Let's say you are fetching live data from somewhere, processing it, and getting automated output all in one go. Fourth is AI powered recommendation system, an application that suggests products, movies, or books, anything based on user preferences. Okay, so here's a fun challenge for you. If you want to build any applications, any AI application to be specific, what would it be? Tell me in the comment section below. Now, let's peek under the hood. LangChain consists of three main building blocks, and these are LLMs, memory, and tooling. We'll know more about it later in further videos, but let's just have a gist about it. LLMs are more like brains, just like how we use OpenAI's ChatGPT. Second is memory. As we saw in the previous example, which was chatbot with memory, if we wanted to remember anything and based on previous preferences, if we want to recall anything, that's where we use memory. Third one is tooling. Let's say we want to use any sort of tools or any sort of APIs. Maybe we want to do calculation, maybe we want to fetch something from Wikipedia. There's so many tools available in LangChain. Again, we'll go much deeper about tools later in further videos. So that's your crash course on LangChain. What is LangChain? How do you use LangChain? Why is it amazing? And how you can use it further. If you are really interested in knowing more about it, hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Talk Tech. Also, don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram for exclusive updates. All the links are down below in the description. And stay tuned for our next video where we'll install LangChain, set it up, and build our first project. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.